Hey guys, Phil Jew here. We're autocrossing today. We're testing all the new rear end sphericals, the rear diff, solid bushing, and then the Momo seat. So we could see that we are not at Route 66 in Joliet. We are in the Rantoul Airport, located in Champaign County, Illinois. And this is my first time running with this group, Champaign County Sports Car Club. And this is actually their first time running this section of the airport. Before, they would be at like a lot on the other side of the airport, but the good thing is it's concrete. I'm not used to these forward and backs, so this first run I'm just kind of feeling out the course, seeing if I'm going to DNF, make sure I know the course, etc. Now we're on the second run. We're going to start pushing a little bit. Unfortunately, my tires never got warm out of the 6 runs that I had, but at least I can kind of feel how the car is doing. We haven't done any alignments, or, well, we corner balanced it, but no alignment yet. But so far, the car is feeling good, and this carousel is really just kind of giving me some trail braking vibes. I got to practice that a lot at the end, and honestly, like, these sweeper type courses do phenomenal when I'm testing out my car. Could actually put some speed into it, and we're not driving on a parking lot at 30 miles an hour. Now we're coming to my third run. I'm getting comfortable with the car and kind of just like pushing a little bit, just hitting my marks, and just filling out the car, testing it out. Nothing too odd. And starting to be confident to just rev out the engine. I did notice that this car was understeering quite a bit. However, we were the first runs of the day. There was a lot of debris, and like I mentioned earlier, my tires were cold. So I'm going to leave these settings for when I go to Road America on April 13th. Now this is my 4th run, and I'm trying to see if I want to like shift later or early shift. And you can see there I'm dealing with a lot of oversteer, understeer, nothing consistent, but we're still putting down some decent times. But it's good to know that we're feeling tight and loose at the same time. I can figure out what suspension changes I may need to do, but as I said, I'm going to leave it for Road America. Alright, so this is the last run and my fastest run of the day. Put me in 15th raw time. Everything kind of looked clean and again, I gotta say about this turnaround, I could really test adding trail brake the entire time. I could feel the car understeer, and I would just add a little brake pressure and I would be able to rotate a bit more. But this was a good day. I got to test a lot of the car. The car feels phenomenal, and I feel like it's ready for Road America.